How does the most famous pad thai in Bangkok taste? Let's see. Yeah, look at these prawns though. Look at the size of them. Well, you can tell we're in the Golden Line because gold everywhere.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand. We have been here a few weeks now. I've actually lost track. We've got one more week here and we're just moving accommodations now.
So we've got a 17-minute walk. It's not far at all to our next place. We could have got the metro, it could have been like one stop, but we thought
we're gonna walk.
Yeah,
we are melting.
But I think we always forget how hot it is because we spend time in the aircon. Get out, it's just boiling hot, sweating my head off. But anyway, we've got a lovely apartment. Originally we did book it for 2 weeks, but we're shortening it to 1 week because we have a very, very special announcement to come. We're going to a brand new country next week. So today, after we've checked into our place, we are going to ride the Golden Line. We've never ridden it before. BTS to Icon Siam and get the most famous pad thai in Bangkok. Cannot wait. I love pad thai, it's my favourite bit of Thai
I think that's my favourite dish as well.
Yeah, and it's probably the most famous Thai dish. So let's get the most famous in Bangkok.
Does that mean we get to go shopping as well?
We might have a look.
Let's check out our place. Oh wow.
Cozy.
This is cute. Let me get this bag off before I show you around. Oh. Wow. Oh, this is like a studio apartment. It's got like a mini kitchen here. Ah, we got stove, kettle, microwave, sink, yeah, fridge. Oh, washing machine, so we can wash that. Probably still use Otter. TV, like a lounge little area. Then going to our bedroom. We've got a lovely spotty quilt cover. Ben's getting the AC straight on.
Yeah, got to be done.
Not really a view, just a tree out there. But yeah, it's quite good. We've got like a table we can work at. Wardrobe space. Oh, I'm really impressed. I like a little apartment, otherwise I make too much mess. Oh, the bathroom's really nice. It feels quite new. We've got a separate shower, toilet, all the essential soap and all that. And it smells really clean and nice. This is perfect for a week. I'm glad we changed actually.
Yeah,
like we've got our own little home. The other place was just a room.
It's nice to have your own sort of space, doesn't it?
Yeah. I think we're gonna have a shower and a little sort out because we're all a bit sweaty today. We've had a very busy morning.
I'll tell you what, that walk is done then.
It has, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at him. We'll go and check out the pool in a minute. We've literally just seen the gym. It's on our floor, so then we'll have a look around. We're all unpacked and we're finally out. Ben helped loads by just sitting there.
Well,
But look, this is our 7-Eleven. That's our place. Literally 1 second walk and then literally walk up this road and there's the BTS. So I feel like this is a little bit better location.
yeah,
We've just gone up the road.
This is better, and we've got all the street food vendors. I feel like we need to do another street food vendor video.
It normally gets better at night as well, and there's quite a lot out at the moment. Yeah. I've already spotted a few places I want to try Thai tea. We're trying to find the best Thai tea in Bangkok. Still 7-Eleven at the moment. Oh, he does his Thai tea.
20 baht.
Oh, I don't know if it's Thai. Don't know if it's Thai tea there. It's all in Thai, but
Like bubbles.
yeah, oh, I don't like them. Don't like the texture when you get it in your mouth. But we're now heading on to BTS. We're going to Siam and we're going to get some lunch. We're going to do the pad thai for lunch because we're both starving.
Normally we don't eat lunch, but it's like 2 p.m. It's too early for dinner, too late for lunch.
And we're really hungry already. So we're like, let's head out. But I swear today is absolutely scorching. We've said this every day we've been here, it's hot. But I swear today's even hotter.
You can tell we're in the Golden Line because gold everywhere. So we're on the right track. There you go. Gold.
Straight there, yeah? 32, that's perfect. Oh, we got golden tickets! There's literally only 3 stops and this is the only line that comes from it. I feel like I'm going like on something special.
What, the Golden Line?
One of the trains are golden. Wow, this is a bit fancy.
There's actually only 2 cars. Like this one and one behind us. And it's all like, what do you call it? Like a 360 view. Like, there's obviously like windows all around it.
Oh look, you can watch out here. And it's actually like waiting for a bit. There's actually like a woman that stands by the door, like waits. So it must wait for like a few minutes and then go. And we're off. It's also driverless. No one's driving it. Oh yeah, that was quick.
No, it's good.
It's actually wow different to the other BTS, isn't it?
It goes like really, really slow, and then you like
fast.
proper steps on it, and you're like.
I think it's when it's straight.
Yeah, you almost fall over.
When you stand in that window, you feel like you're on a roller coaster because it suddenly goes and then slows and then goes.
Yeah, it's different though from all the rest of the BTS.
I know, look. Very different. In the hole, Ben. And literally like that. There, in that. Which one's which?
I know.
They both say Icon Scion. So we've got Icon Scion there.
Yeah, that one looks more.
Yeah, this side. Wow.
Wow, there we go. Yeah, so we have actually got a video exploring the whole mall. So if you want to see that, go check it out. I'll leave a little tag link there. Yeah, there is a video exploring that, but today we're just here for the famous pad thai. That's what we're here for.
So as we stepped in, they've gave out these leaflets and they've got like a clinic. And I've been on about facials. They've got like acne clear, facial treatment. So I might have to go and get one. Acne clear is 999 baht, but then a facial is 1,499. I don't think I need the acne one because my skin's cleared up. It just needs help with like the scarring and the texture and the colour. As you can see, like the pigmentation's still bad. I've been like going through a process for my skin, and I thought instead of paying, oh gosh, £140 I did at home, I might be able to get it a lot cheaper here.
Obviously just walk past Victoria's Secret, H&M, all like the mainstream high street shops I've already seen.
We've got to find the food court.
Yeah, we've got to find food court basically.
Normally food court's on the ground, but look at all these cool seats. Look how cool.
Normally food courts are
Here you go,
upstairs.
let's go and check that. If I remember correctly, they had a really impressive food court there. And I'm thinking this is the one, look at
If
it.
you remember correctly, it is.
Yeah, it is that one, I can't remember. You had crocodile. All of them no sugar. Thai tea? Thank you. There's a bin behind you. Nice. It's good.
Yeah.
You can taste it's got no sugar in it though.
Yeah.
Love a freebie.
I do
Any more
sugar.
Any more testers here? Yeah, it's not as good without sugar. Where this food court is so big, we actually don't know where the pad thai place is. We've just been wandering around and looking at the food. Wow, how pretty is this? Oh, we got little shops here, like boutiques and that. These sandals are well nice. 490 baht, but look how busy it is. Obviously good shoes. I think it's somewhere in here, at the posh restaurant bit. I just got to find it. It looks like, we looked at like the pictures, it looks like it's surrounded by some water, so I'm gonna think it's near the front. Let's have a look. Do you know the name when you see it?
I know it when I see it.
Alright then, Ben knows what it's. I'm not even joking you, we've been here nearly an hour and we still haven't found it.
That's like a maze, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, we need to ask someone or something. We can't even find like a food map. There's like a normal map that tells you like clothes and shoes and where you can get certain things, but not where certain restaurants are. We've gone up to like another level. We're hoping it's up here. We finally found a map. And it's not even on this floor. It's on the 6th floor.
She owes me an apology because I said I don't think it's on this floor, and she went, "No, it's got to be on this floor." She owes me an apology. Go on.
Diners on floor 6.
Come on.
Maybe when we find it.
No.
You don't get it. It still doesn't
you
exist.
owe me an apology. Come on.
Love you.
It's not an apology. I accept.
Let's find it first and then we'll think about it. Why didn't we remember this? We've been here before. It's got like the massive waterfall on the top level. It's got the world's largest Starbucks.
The thing is, for me, it's not even ringing any bells. So it feels like the first time I've ever been here.
I remember this. You'll recognise it in a minute. As soon as you get through it. In the middle, got a massive waterfall.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, that's stunning. Coming down from the roof. I feel like I should have dressed up a little bit more for dinner. Didn't realise it was this posh. But we found it! This is the place. Here, Ben. Wow. I think if it's a good seat. Oh, there's like a waterfall. We've asked to move seats. We wanted to go on one of these. Ah. Look at it! Wow, this place looks wow nice. Let's see if the food's as good as the place. What? Thanks for taking me for a posh meal, Benny.
I'll tell you what, right? We don't actually like ever do this. We never actually have a sit-down meal. It's very nice, and we haven't actually celebrated our wedding anniversary. It was only like I went
That's what it can be.
I went to anniversaries like what 10 days ago, and we never even celebrated it because we're like traveling, budget, like strict. But today we're gonna enjoy it.
Is that chicken? Yeah. That one, please. This one, yeah. Our Thai teas have come, and our spring roll. We got like the mix, so there should be 3 different flavors. But I have to do this first before we start anything. I actually thought that was going to go in the water then. Let's throw in there. Alright, is this going to be the 7-Eleven one? Ooh, that is good. It's sweet, rich and creamy. Could be it. I think it could. It's quite small though. Don't do it. Ah, you tried to do it. So we've got our 6 spring rolls. We've got 3 different kinds. There's already bite in them because someone didn't put the camera on. So I'm going to have to pretend I haven't tried any of them. I'm not sure what was in this one, so it is kind of different. I have bit into one. Chicken. Oh, that one's really nice. That's the chicken one. It's kind of got like a curry hint in there. And the outside is really crispy, and it's actually quite warm. It's not really hot, but it's not bad. It has got a lot of flavour, and there is quite a bit of chicken, so you get the flavour of the chicken in there. This one's the veg one. You just got like aubergine and carrots and all that. Again, that's got like a chilli sauce, but we haven't tried the prawn one yet. Thank you. Oh, that was your one, Ben. Oh wow, looks good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow, that looks so good.
This looks so amazing.
Just try the prawn spring roll before you dig into that, Ben.
Which one?
Prawn one. The one that has a prawn sticking out. That one.
Bit of sauce.
See what you think. Good crunch, isn't it?
Good one. Oh. Delicious. So it's like a whole prawn, but the prawns look really soft and obviously really fresh. Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Oh wow. Look at that. But so far, the spring roll is really good.
I went for the traditional shrimp pad thai. It looks absolutely amazing. It's come out, it's wrapped in an egg. I don't know what you call that style, but it's like a certain style of pad thai. They bring your pad thai out, wrapped in the egg. She asks if I want nuts or not. I obviously went for nuts because that's like the best bit. And they bring your bean shoots, spring onions and veg all separately. It looks absolutely amazing. The way it's presented is unbelievable. But how does it taste? How does the most famous pad thai in Bangkok taste? Let's see. Oh man, delicious. So it's so like, it's like a little bit moist, but it's full of flavour, and it's a little bit sweet. It's piping hot. It's honestly, the steam's coming out. But I've never seen pad thai noodles like this. They almost look like grated carrot, but they're like, no, normally they're white, but this is almost like like an orange colour. Very strange, but they taste absolutely delicious. This is, honestly, I would give this like, maybe even like a 9.5 out of 10. Yeah, look at these prawns though. Look at the size of them. Absolutely amazing. Let's have it. How do they taste? Amazing, but I know what people are gonna say. I can't believe you ate the shell. But
I was gonna say that.
yeah, I always eat the shell. So absolutely cooked to perfection, really juicy, so much flavour, it's really amazing. This is honestly, this is like expectations. This is like exceeded.
I feel like mine's a little bit boring compared to Ben's now. I'm just like a chicken pad thai. We've got like some crispy onions on top, the nuts on the side. I'm gonna throw them on there. And then chunky bits of chicken, and then our veg just literally on the side of the plate. Got like a little carrot shaped in a flower. I'm not sure what this is though. I feel like I recognise it, like an eggplant or something like that. Let me know down below, what is this? Alright, let's go in and try this. Okay, so we've got all the good flavours. We're gonna throw some bean shoots in there, mix it in. So we've got spring onions, our nuts and chicken and crispy onions. Alright, let's see what it's like. Oh, this looks good. That That is really good. I'm not just saying that because it's probably the most expensive pad thai I've had, but it's got so much flavour. It's really hot, and it's just got a little tiny kick, and then you've got the crunch of the nuts. It is really good. Let's see what the chicken. Oh, we've got some tofu. I love tofu down here. That chicken's really moist. I see why this place is actually really popular. This is actually really good. And I have to admit, the size, the portion size, is really, like, quite big.
To share, isn't it?
We've got some little pots now. I haven't checked them out. What have we got in there? We've got sugar, chili powder.
Chili powder.
And then what have we got in there? Chilies.
So that's for chilies, yeah.
And then we've got our fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
And they've also got us some lemon juice. I would have preferred fresh, lemon, sorry. We've got fresh lime juice. I would have preferred fresh lime, but I don't know if they've run out of it. It's like a thing here. But so far, this looks so good. So we're going to dig in and enjoy this. I hate this part of the meal. We're like sat here like, do they come over? Do you go to them to pay? We're going to go.
Meal etiquette. I don't agree with meal etiquette.
What's meal etiquette?
Oh, I've no
Get up, come and pay. But we enjoyed that. We finished every last bit except for that weird vegetable. We don't know if you're even meant to eat that. I don't know if it's just look pretty. But this is amazing, this place. Look at it. Ben can treat me. I'll let him go and pay. Come and go. What was the damage, Ben?
785. Obviously for Thailand, quite expensive. But for a meal in this setting, at home, I think we pay like 5 times as much. So pretty happy with that, and it was quite nice actually. It was nice to have a nice meal.
All right, back out to the Gold Line. Whew, look how hot it is. I was getting a bit chilly in there with the AC. Now I'm going to get a sweat on right away. We're looking forward to jumping straight back on this though. It's so easy for us. Oh, it sounds like one's coming, but they normally weigh around a little bit. But literally straight out the mall and into it. Let's go. There's one. Strange. Didn't work when I first used it. Ben, which side? Oh yeah. So we did miss our train then.
Yeah.
Oh. We missed our train, that was us.
I think there's only one train but there's one train either side because you've got to wait for ages for it to come. Just like that, we're back in our home of Krontonbury. Absolute pleasure taking that Gold Line. It's really like quite enjoyable. But we need to get a few things from 7-Eleven. We're out of deodorant, water, Coca-Cola, all that sort of thing. So the next stop is to stock up our fridge in 7-Eleven.